Hello everyone. If you're getting this error, Roblox error code 268 when you're trying to play Roblox, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix error code 268 on your computer easily. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into this first link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to download latest stable release here. You want to download the software and then install it, and then you're going to open it up. And after that, you're going to open your start menu up. You're going to write here command. You're going to right click on command prompt, click run as administrator, click yes on here. You're going to write this command ipconfig/flush DNS. And after that, write ipconfig/renew. And once you put both of these commands in, what you're going to do next is you're going to open warp up. You're going to click connect on here. Make sure it is set to 1.1.1. with warp. And after that, you're going to open Roblox up. And you can see that my game will work now. I won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix Roblox error code 268. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.